How many views do you think this is going to get?
1,230 views.
And what are we calling it?
I'm trying to figure out birds when we play soccer.
Moving all these birds to play
I
soccer.
know, look, ready?
Oh my God, look at all these birds.
Now we have 2 options to do.
But what are we going to call the video?
Maybe
How about moving thousands of birds to play soccer?
Yep. Oh my God, look at that mugger head.
These are big ones too.
I know. I don't know how we're going to do this, right? I don't know. We're going to have to do.
Thousands of birds to play soccer.
Is it even open?
I don't think so, but we're going to go play in here.
Is it open?
Come on, let's go.
Is it open?
Look at all these. Look at all these birds.
No. What are you doing?
Hey, ready? Come on. Come on.
What the heck are you doing?
Hold this 1 second. Ready? Shh, quiet. Okay, hold my phone. You watch the birds.
Oh,
Point it that way. Okay,
right here.
okay, ready?
Oh my God, they're gonna fly away.
Watch this. Watch this. I'm going to kick it. Come on. Tell, this is a lot of birds.
Oh, I'm not going over there.
Come on, we'll play with this one. All right, let's play with this one. Come on. Come on. We could play on this one. We'll let them. How about they stay over there and we stay over here, okay? Yeah. All right, ready? 20 in a row. Look how many goddamn birds there are. All right, go. You kick for this way. Okay, ready? How many are you gonna do in a row? All right, get a running kick. Ready? No. All right, ready? So wherever the ball stops. Okay, ready? Right there. Go for it. Nope. See, you're a little rusty. You haven't been practicing. And you're nervous with all the birds.
Wait, I want to try something. Can I have their phone? Can I have the phone? No, I want the phone first.
No, come on, let's play. Come on, 20 in a row. Come on. You're a little rusty. All right, go. All right, that's one. Good shot. That's one. Get a running kick. Step back, step back. All right, go for it. They're not going to bother you. They're all the way down there. There's like a million birds. All right, go for 2. All right, that was a good one. That's 2.
I think they're seagulls.
That's 2.
Wait, Daddy, look at that. Look at the chair.
All right, ready?
Oh no. Look at the chair.
Come on, do 3.
Right here.
Get a good running chunk.
Oh, be a hard one.
All right, that was a great kick. That's 3.
Daddy, oh no, look at that chair.
Bigger, hard one, hard one. That's 4. Good shot. All right, that's 4, right? Okay, get a good run. Get a good run. That's 5. All right.
Oh, went through the net.
Went through the net.
look at that chair. It blew away.
That's 5, right?
Yeah. I said blew away. I don't know why.
Big kick. Come on, hard kick. All right, that's 6.
It went through the net. Couldn't even get it through.
That's 6. Ready? Get a couple more practice. Back it up. All right, that's 6. Get a good run. All right, that's 7.
Oh my God! Look at that bird alone.
He's a big fat one. All right,
He's alone.
that's 7, right? Come on, big one. Get a hard kick. All right, that's 8. That's 8. Back it up. And you missed. And you missed. See, you said it was easy. You didn't concentrate. And you missed.
My knee slipped.
See, because you weren't concentrating. You like, oh, that's easy. And you messed up.
I want to do it. Okay, here.
How about you dribble all the way from the top, all the way?
You do it. I want to do it to 20.
All right, ready? My phone's going dead. So that's it for today, okay? So 8 in a row, what was it 8 in a row for today?
Yeah.
All right.
We just got here. I'm going to do.
Let me take a picture now. Hurry up, stand in front of the net. Hurry up, Tail, my phone's going dead. Let me get a picture. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.